Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something really exciting for all you rooted Android users out there. We're going to learn how to install the MIUI Home 30 Magisk Module on your rooted Android phone. This is fantastic if you're not on MIUI ROM but still want to experience that sleek MIUI Launcher with all its features, customizability, and unique animations. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly go over the requirements. First and foremost, this module is not for MIUI ROMs. You need to be running a different custom ROM or stock Android for this to work. Trying to install it on a MIUI ROM will likely cause issues, so please avoid that. Secondly, your device needs to be running Android 5 or higher. And of course, the backbone of this entire process is having Magisk or KernelSU installed on your phone. A quick note on full gesture navigation. While MIUI Home 30 offers a great gesture experience, for it to work perfectly on non-MIUI ROMs, you might need to be on an AOSP signatured ROM like Pixel Experience, or have disabled Android Signature verification if you're on Android 13 or below. Alright, with all the requirements covered, let's get to the main event, the installation process. As I mentioned, make sure the MIUI Core Magisk module is already successfully installed and active. Next, you'll want to install the main MIUI Home 30 module itself. You can find the download link for this module in the video description below. Once downloaded, open your Magisk app or KernelSU app. If you're using Magisk, navigate to the Modules section and tap Install from Storage to select the downloaded zip file. If you're using KernelSU, the process is quite similar within its module management section. If for any reason the in-app installation isn't working and you have Magisk installed, you can also flash the module directly via custom recovery like TWRP, if your device supports it. One important tip for KernelSU users: for optimal module functionality and to avoid any boot loops or issues, you'll need to make sure you disable Unmount modules by default in your KernelSU app settings. This ensures the modules are properly loaded at boot. Once you've installed all the necessary modules, both the main MIUI Home 30 and any optional ones you chose, it's time for the final, crucial step, a reboot. Go ahead and restart your device now to let the modules apply their magic. And there you have it. After the reboot, you should now be greeted by the beautiful, feature-rich, and incredibly fluid MIUI Home 30 launcher on your non-MIUI Android device. I hope this detailed guide was helpful for you in getting MIUI Home 30 up and running. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more awesome Android tips, tricks, and root guides. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.